This 2017 International 4300 is brought to you by Stapleton Motors. This 2017 International Rollback tow truck will be an incredible addition to your fleet. With a dual-piston 21-foot bed and wheel lift, 26,000 lb GVWR, and 6.7L Cummins, you will not be disappointed. Call Stapleton Motors today. Features: extended cab lights, Century bed, wheel lift, strobe, winch, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power driver and number 039, S-seat, cruise control, heat, air conditioning, AM/FM, auxiliary, USB, Bluetooth, rear bench seat, dual piston bed rating 12,000 lbs, GVWR 26,000 lbs, front GAWR 8,000 lbs, wheel lift rating 4,000 lbs, tow rating 10,000 lbs, 21 and number 039, visit us at stapletonmotors.com.